Hey smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the high-flying world of drones. On the left, we have the TizzyToy Brushless Motor Drone, and on the right, we've got the Tomzon P5G GPS drone. Which one should you buy? Let's find out. First up, let's talk cameras. TizzyToy comes packing with a 4K, 120 degrees manually adjustable lens and a 110 degrees wide-angle lens. You can capture every wonderful moment from a bird's-eye view. Perfect for those Instagram shots, right? Meanwhile, Tomzon flexes with a 4K ultra-clear camera that you can adjust 90 degrees up and down, plus a 120 degrees wide-view lens. It's like the drone is giving you a neck workout, but for your camera. Also, it supports 5G Wi-Fi transmission, so your selfies will be in real time. No more waiting for that perfect shot to upload. Both drones give you stunning 4K quality, but Tomzon's remote adjustment is a game changer. You won't need to climb a tree to get that perfect angle. Now let's talk motors and stability. TizzyToy boasts brushless motors, which means it's got the horsepower of a tiny jet engine. Plus, it has optical flow positioning for stable flight and better wind resistance. So it's basically the Rocky Balboa of drones. Tomzon, on the other hand, rocks a high-precision GPS system. It's like having a mini Google Maps on your drone. This baby will auto-return when it loses signal, gets out of range, or has low power. It's the drone equivalent of a responsible teenager. So if you want a drone that's got the muscle, go with TizzyToy. But if you want a drone that's got brains and won't get lost, Tomzon's your guy. All right, let's see which one of these bad boys can stay in the air the longest. TizzyToy comes with two 1,600 mAh batteries, giving you a total flight time of up to 40 minutes. That's almost enough time to watch an episode of your favorite show while it's in the air. Tomzon isn't far behind with two batteries that provide up to 36 minutes of flight time. It's like the marathon runner of drones, strong and steady. While TizzyToy gives you a bit more airtime, Tomzon's close enough to keep it interesting. It's like comparing a double espresso to a strong cup of coffee. Both will get you buzzing. Let's dive into the fun stuff. Special features. TizzyToy is loaded with high-speed rotation, circle fly, gesture control, and even a 360 degrees flip. It's like having a drone that can dance and do gymnastics. Tomzon isn't here to play either. With the Flycam app, you can control it with your smartphone and enjoy features like Follow Me, Circle Flight, and GPS Auto Return. It's like having a drone that's also your personal assistant. If you're into aerial stunts, TizzyToy is your circus performer. But if you want a drone that's got more tricks up its sleeve, Tomzon's got your back. Reviewers have praised the TizzyToy Brushless Motor Drone for its affordability. It's a great option for both beginners and seasoned drone enthusiasts, though some have noted that customer support could be improved. On the other hand, the Tomzon P5G GPS drone is lauded for its GPS functionality, quality camera, and responsive customer service. However, some users experienced connectivity issues with certain smartphone models. Overall, both drones offer excellent value for their price points. So there you have it, folks. TizzyToy with its powerful motors and longer flight time versus Tomzon with its smart GPS and versatile camera. Both drones are fantastic, but it ultimately comes down to what you need. Are you Team TizzyToy or Team Tomzon? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome comparisons. Until next time, fly smart, buy smart. Product links are in the description.